Hello guys, Azizi here from Libro Homi Outdoor Shop. Okay, today I want to share how to reset igs50e. Okay, first you need a USB cable, micro USB, and plug to the power supply. Then at the back, you need to put, I accidentally turned it on. Okay, wait. Okay, turn it off first. Then when it off, plug the micro USB. And then you need to press both these two buttons, left and right, together. So I need to turn it off. Okay, when you see the battery is charging, then you press it. Okay, so I put down my handphone first. You hold it, both of this button, until you see OH. FA. So if I do it like this, maybe I can do it. Okay, BLE with FA, and then you press enter in the middle. Okay, now the system is already factory reset. Okay, bye.